Prince Harry's US visa has been challenged in court, with the judge saying drug answers must be disclosed. Welcome to Royal Pancakes. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notifications bell, so you don't miss any news about the British royal family. Prince Harry's past drug use has threatened to undermine the integrity of the US government, according to a think tank that sued the Department of Homeland Security. A federal judge has been told the Duke of Sussex's answers about past drug use in his visa application should be disclosed because it could raise questions about the integrity of the US government. Harry's reference to cocaine, marijuana, and psychedelic mushrooms in his memoir prompted spare. The Heritage Foundation sued the Department of Homeland Security after a Freedom of Information Act request was denied, claiming that it is of enormous public interest. Speaking after the first federal court hearing on the case, Dr. Neil Gardiner, of the think tank, told reporters that the lawsuit concerns a prominent personal accountant and the US government. At the end of the day, it's about accountability, transparency and openness on behalf of the US administration with regard to an immigration request by a senior person, said Dr. Gardiner. During a hearing in federal court in Washington on Tuesday, think tank attorney Samuel Dewey told the judge that their case was about the Duke of Sussex, but also about Homeland Security's compliance with the law. Dewey told Judge Carl Nichols that the matter received extraordinary and widespread media attention which raised questions about the integrity of the government. DHS attorney, John Pardo, argued that the articles submitted by the think tank in support of their lawsuit were not from mainstream media, and failed to point to any wrongdoing by the US government. After the hearing, Dr. Gardiner said the Duke had become a household name in the US, adding, "He's actively involved in a number of cases, has given several high-profile interviews, and participated in a Netflix documentary that's been watched by tens of millions of Americans, so, he is a great personality." Addressing why the think tank brought the case, he told reporters, "This is ultimately about US immigration law, ensuring that it applies fairly and equally to everyone. No one should be above the law and no one should receive preferential treatment. In light of Prince Harry's widespread drug use, we believe he should be held accountable in connection with his application. He put it all out there, let's see if that exactly matches what he put on his immigration application." On Tuesday, the Heritage Foundation attempted to request a preliminary injunction, meaning they wanted to compel all relevant divisions of the Department of Homeland Security to respond to their Freedom of Information Act request regarding the Duke's immigration papers. One division is yet to respond, which means the court can't deal with arguments over whether specific information should be released or not. The judge will give the Homeland Security 1 week to indicate whether it was willing to respond or expedite a request. Thanks for watching.